Hola, buenos dias. I am going to do a review of a little app that somebody sent me, and it's called MiVoca app. And it's built on the style of Anki, except that I think it's a lot more easy to use, and it's an app that you can have on your PC and on your phone as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to open up the app on my PC, and then we'll just go through it and see what it's like. I've never looked at it yet. You were doing it with me for the first time. Okay, so let's get into it. What I've done already is I have added some words, okay? But we're going to add a word together and see what happens. So add a word. And then you can either add a word in English or you can add a word in Spanish and it will translate it for you. So let's just say I'm struggling to understand the word because. Let's have a look for that and we'll translate it. Because. ¿Por qué? Used to introduce a reason or explanation. Okay, so it gives you that and it gives you a little explanation. But also you can see other meanings, which is interesting. No other meanings found. Okay, fair enough, because it's just a one word, isn't it? And then you save it to your vocabulary. And there you have it. Because, and it gives you a sentence. Look, me gusta el helado porque es dulce. I like ice cream because it's sweet. What I've noticed as I'm adding them, I like this because it gives you a sentence that's with an example, not just a word. It's very dry to have just a word, but when you have an example, fantastic. We'll add one more because I want to show you where it has extra meanings. Okay, let's put the word taza in. Okay, we'll translate it and let's see what it comes up with. Taza, cup, a small container for drinking. Okay, but let's see, are there any other meanings? So primary, a small container, una copa o recipiente. Okay, so we'll save that to the vocabulary. So you've got to have a minimum of 10 words in to be able to start, but then you can go to flashcards. Now, what I like about the flashcards is this. So you've got the word channel and you've got an English sentence. The river flows through the channel. So what you can do is, obviously it's to help you remember the word, but also you can say, well, I know how to translate that. El río fluye a través del canal o por el canal. Let's have a look. El río fluye por el canal. So there you are. So you've remembered the word and you've also had a chance to translate a sentence. Then you say, well, how do do you know that well? Do you know it somewhat? Obviously, when you say you don't know it, it will give you it again more often. Once you know it well, then you won't get it again. And then somewhat, you'll get it every now and again. Yeah. So we'll say, I don't know it. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. News. I read the news every morning. Okay, the news is las noticias. So I would say leo las noticias cada mañana. Let's see. Leo las noticias todas las mañanas. Todas las mañanas, cada mañana, the same. So let's say somewhat. Finish that. So that's the way it works. Okay, so it's giving you a sentence. And obviously remember that there are sometimes different ways of saying the same sentence. But then we've got sentence fill. Let's have a look and see how this works. Okay, so here we've got la nueva blank que están grabando los actores de la obra comenzará en verano. Okay, so the new series that the actors of the play are filming will start in summer. So series, that's what we're looking for. Well, in Spanish, series is said here. Yay! Oh, one correct, zero incorrect. Start new session. Now, what's going on here? Let's have a look again. Ah. La blank de televisión que estoy viendo es muy interesante y tiene personajes complejos. The TV series that I'm watching is very interesting and has complex characters. Ah, so we're saying serie again. Ah, why is it doing that? And then one right and zero wrong. New session. What's going to happen? Am I going to have series again? The TV series. So I just keep getting series all the time. Now this is a glitch. This is a glitch in the app. This idea of sentence fill would be great, absolutely great, were it to be working. And I'll just add this to the video. I have spoken to the owner of the app and explained that there's a glitch with sentence fill. It's not working, and he's going to have a look at it. And he says that he's actually got a better idea of something that might be even more interesting. So it's good. He answered me straight away and he said, thank you, and thank you for letting him know. And he's going to sort it out. So there you are. So you can see your progress, importance rating. You can make words important or not important, the ones that you really want to learn. So this is day two, look. Words practiced and familiarity rating. So you can see how well you know words, how you know them somewhat, and the ones that you don't know. So there you have it. It's called MiVoca app. It's free. And certainly, even if you were just using the flashcards until he gets the sentence fill finished, great. Great little app like Anki. The only difference, and I haven't used Anki very much, but I like the way that this gives you other connected words and it can offer you other words to put into your library as well. So there you are. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that they get the sentence fill fixed quickly. Bueno, entonces chicos, allí lo tienes si quieres hacer algo y también notaba que puedes importar un banco de palabras si tú tienes esa cosa, ¿no? O a lo mejor transferir de Anki tus palabras a mi boca. Pero bueno, ahí lo tenéis. Hasta luego, adiós.